Hello everyone, welcome to CodersArts. Today we will talk about Rasa conversational AI, a technology that's shaping the way we interact with machines from virtual assistant to chatbots. Conversational AI play a pivotal role in our digital experience. In this video, we will introduce you with Rasa conversational AI. What is it? What can you do with Rasa? Then we talk about why should we use Rasa, how does it work, and what can I build with Rasa. Then at last we will talk about its features. So let's get started. So what is Rasa? In the realm of artificial intelligence, Rasa has emerged as a powerful tool for crafting intelligent conversations. This open source conversational AI framework allows you to build a chatbot and conversational interfaces. It is a powerful and versatile platform that can be used to create a wide variety of conversational experience, from simple chatbot to complex AI-powered assistants. Imagine a world where a computer can engage in a natural and meaningful dialogues with humans. That's precisely the vision that Rasa embodies. It empowers developers to create a chatbot that can understand human language, respond appropriately, and even engage in personalized interactions. It can power conversational interfaces across various channels, including messaging apps, websites, and even voice assistants. With Rasa, you can build chatbots that seamlessly integrate in your existing systems, providing a unified customer experience. And the beauty of Rasa lies in its flexibility and ease of use. It provides a comprehensive framework for building conversational AI application, from designing the conversation flow to training the chatbots with natural language data. Why should we use Rasa? There are many reasons to use Rasa to build chatbots on conversational interfaces. First is open source. Rasa is a completely open source, which means that you can use it for free and without any restrictions. Second is powerful. Rasa is a very powerful platform that can handle a wide variety of conversational tasks. Third is Rasa is a very flexible platform that can be customized to fit your specific needs. Fourth is easy to use. Rasa is relatively easy to use even for beginners. How does Rasa work? Rasa works by using a natural language understanding engine to understand the user's intent and then using a response generation engine to generate a response. Rasa also includes a number of other components such as a dialogue manager and training engine that help to create a smooth and natural conversational flow. What can we build with Rasa? You can build a wide variety of conversational experience with Rasa. First is simple chatbots. With Rasa, you can build a simple chatbot that can answer questions, provide information, and complete tasks. Second is complex AI-powered assistants. Rasa can also be used to build complex AI-powered assistants that can understand and respond to complex conversations. Third is conversational interfaces. Rasa can be used to create a conversational interfaces for a variety of applications such as customer service, education, and healthcare. Now let's talk about its features. First is natural language understanding. Rasa's NLU engine transforms raw user input into structured information. It enables to understand and respond to user requests. It extracts entities, intents, and emotion from user utterance, allowing Rasa to grasp the context and meaning behind the user words. Rasa's ability to understand natural language is powered by sophisticated machine learning algorithm trained on vast amount of conversational data. These algorithms can identify patterns, relationships, and nuances in language, allowing Rasa to decipher even the most complex user queries. Second is dialogue management. Rasa's dialogue management module acts as a conductor of conversations, ensuring a smooth and coherent flow of interactions between the user and the chatbot. It maintains the dialogue context, tracks conversation history, and determines the appropriate next step based on the current state of the conversation. Dialogue management is crucial for creating engaging and natural sounding conversations. It ensures that the chatbot responses are relevant, timely, and aligned with the user intent. Rasa's dialogue management capabilities are highly customizable, allowing developers to tailor the conversation flow to suit specific use cases and user preferences. Third is integration capabilities. Rasa's versatility extends to its exceptional integration capability. It can seamlessly integrate with various platforms and channels, enabling chatbots to operate across multiple touchpoints. This flexibility allows businesses to reach their users where they are, whether on messaging apps, website, or even connected device. Rasa's integration capability empowers businesses to create truly omnichannel conversation experiences, providing a consistent and personalized user journey regardless of the channel they choose. This seamless integration ensures that users can interact with chatbots in the way that is the most convenient and comfortable for them. So that's it for today. In this video, I have provided you with a brief introduction to Rasa. We talk about why should we use Rasa, how it works, and also we explored its features. So stay tuned for our next video where we will see a new topic on Rasa. Thanks for watching.